Walt Disney Educational Media Company presents Sing Long Vowels with Winnie the Pooh. And now, Pooh bakes a cake, the long A sound.
This is a story and song for the long A vowel. Listen for words that have the long A sound, as in cake.
It was a beautiful fall day in the 100-acre wood, and Winnie the Pooh went to visit his friend Eeyore.
Hello, Eeyore. What a fine day it is.
Fine for some. Not so fine when it's your birthday and nobody knows it.
Happy birthday, Eeyore. I didn't know it was your birthday today.
No, I suppose no one knows. But I guess it doesn't matter. I'll have another one next year.
Winnie the Pooh saw that his friend Eeyore was very sad. Suddenly, Pooh had an idea.
Wait here till I come back. I have something special to do.
As Pooh hurried home, he decided to bake a cake for Eeyore as a surprise. He was so excited that he began to sing a song.
I'm going to bake a cake for you. I'm going to make a cake for you. It's going to be a birthday cake, you won't get a bellyache. I'm going to bake a cake for you.
Hello, Pooh. What are you thinking about?
Hello, Tigger. The song is for Eeyore's birthday. It's Eeyore's birthday today, and I'm going to bake a cake for him.
You mean there's going to be a party?
A party. That is a good idea, Tigger. A surprise birthday party for Eeyore. Oh, let me see. While I bake a cake, you can go invite everybody.
Oh, boy, a party. That's what Tiggers like best.
Bring everyone to my house, Tigger, and when the cake is ready, I'll get Eeyore.
So Tigger bounced off to invite everybody to Eeyore's surprise party. And as Winnie the Pooh skipped home to bake a cake, he continued to sing his song.
You're going to love the taste. None will go to waste. Don't be late. You're going to clean your plate, and you'll like what you ate.
When Pooh arrived home, he began to make Eeyore's cake. He continued to sing his song, using as many words as he could think of with the long A vowel sound, as in cake.
I'm going to bake a cake for you. I'm going to make a cake for you. It's going to be a birthday cake, you won't get a bellyache. I'm going to bake a cake for you. It needs a honey taste. I think I'll add a case. My tummy's full of space. Would it be out of place to smear it on my face? Oh, I'm going to bake a cake for you. I'm going to make a cake for you. It's going to be a birthday cake, you won't get a bellyache. I'm going to bake a cake for you.
So Winnie the Pooh waited for Eeyore's birthday cake to bake, and waited, and waited. It seemed to take forever. Pooh opened and closed the oven door several times. Finally, to help pass the time, Pooh sang his song.
It's going to be homemade. It's good with lemonade. It's going to have your name. But remember just the same, don't get it on your mane. Ah, it's ready. I think it needs some frosting, my honey frosting. There, a yummy taste of honey inside and outside too.
Just bouncing in to say everybody's here. Hoo-hoo-hoo.
Tigger had indeed brought everybody for Eeyore's party. Owl, Piglet, Rabbit, Christopher Robin, Kanga, and Roo. They were all there, except one very important guest.
Oh, Christopher Robin, Eeyore will be so happy to see all his friends.
Yes, Pooh, it was very thoughtful of you to have this party, but where is Eeyore?
Oh, bother! I was so busy baking the cake for Eeyore that I forgot to go and get him.
It's all right, Pooh. I'll bring Eeyore here. You have everybody hide inside.
Christopher Robin hurried off to find Eeyore, while everybody found a hiding place in Pooh's house. As everybody waited to surprise Eeyore, Pooh sang his song.
I'm going to bake a cake for you. I'm going to make a cake for you. It's going to be a birthday cake. You won't get a bellyache. I'm going to bake a cake for you.
Hello? Pooh? We're here. Are you home?
Yes, Christopher Robin, I am home. Come in.
Oh, dear. It is very dark in here.
Surprise! Happy birthday! This is a party just for you, Eeyore.
And a cake for you, too.
Make a wish. Blow out the candle. Hoo-hoo-hoo.
A party for me? A cake with my name? This is a happy birthday. Thank you, everybody. Especially you, Pooh.
So Eeyore made a wish, blew out the candle on his cake, and had a wonderfully happy birthday with all his friends. And no one got a bellyache.